Do you have difficulty to hide your Instagram story from someone? Don't worry, I will explain how to do it short and easily in this following video. So, make sure you watch this video until it's finished. The first step after you open your Instagram, click on your profile photo in the lower right corner. The next step, click on the hamburger icon in the upper right corner. In this option, click on Settings. After you enter the Settings option, click on Account Privacy. The next step, to hide your Instagram story from someone, you have to click on Story Settings. You just need to select the list of people to hide your story. So, that's how to hide Instagram stories from certain people. If this tutorial solves your problem, don't forget to like and subscribe. Write in the comments column what tutorial you need right now.